We have a problem. Not the video I wanted to make, for sure. Not really what I expected to happen. So, I've made a longer video on this. I just want to let the regulars of the channel know that there might be a break for a little while. Well, not a welcome break, for certain. Turned off my computer one evening. Turned it on a few hours later. Nothing. Completely dead. Possibly fried motherboard. Possibly a dead CPU. Anyway, I'll explain that in the other video. This is just a quick one to let you know what's happening. So, in the meantime, I have no money to replace this. So, I'm going to have to borrow some. Figure it out. Figure out if I'm going to replace the bits or upgrade the bits. Or whether I'm going to send it off to double check I've not been stupid. Yeah. What am I going to say? I can't edit this, but yeah. It's going to be a break. Don't know for how long. Apologise. I got crap loads of videos to get through, but they're just going to have to wait because, well, that's what I edit on. And it's gone kaput.